New York City Mayor Eric Adams and DCLA Commissioner Lori Campbell recently launched a new initiative called NYC Create in Place to help preserve and expand creative spaces for cultural organizations. The program aims to tackle rising cost, real estate challenges, and access to government resources by providing centralized support through an online portal. This resource hub offers technical assistance, funding opportunities, and space listings to help organizations find suitable locations. The initiative, which also includes an interagency task force, will assist cultural businesses in maintaining affordable, accessible spaces. Starting in January 2025, NYC Create in Place will offer virtual workshops to address key issues facing the creative sector, including real estate and nonprofit matters. This initiative is part of Mayor Adams' broader efforts to strengthen New York's cultural economy, which contributes billions to the city's economic growth.